it's me, Amal. As you see, I'm still busy with pie and we're gonna try to wash this here. As you see, this is the color. It become very little bit light, yeah? And we left this one dark, so we colored in the middle as white as we can. So I will show you a little bit the hair. If we turn a little bit like that, you can see the style we did for Kai. So we're gonna wash now the hair and we will come later with you. So see you later. Again, this is me, Amal. As you see, I'm still with Kai from Germany. I'm putting here a little bit silver shampoo. Here, as you see, I'll turn a little bit back so you can see the line where I'm putting the silver shampoo in the hair. So we will leave it a little bit and we will come later with you. So here actually we color blonde and we are putting silver shampoo. We will come later back. So we will show you that here. It is very nice, very beautiful. The result we will show you later. So now we need to wait. We are here back with Kai and this is the result of his hair. I'm going to show it to you. This is the result of his hair. It's a beautiful, nice, lovely dark color here and we color it here a little bit light. I'm turning a little bit so you can see the line we did in his hair. It's a beautiful, nice, lovely hair color and we are very happy here with Vivyan hair design with his style. Kai, please can you look a little bit? See, it's beautiful, nice, lovely blonde line here and we make it very short the hair. I'll turn it a little bit like this, you can see it. We cut it very short here and little bit dark line here and very light here. Lovely, nice style. We are here very happy by Vivyan hair design from the style and we want to ask Kai, do you like your hair?
I love the new style.
Thank you very much. Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
Best hairdresser in the world.
Thank you very much, Kai. Thank you very much, Kai, for visiting us here in Vivyan Hair Design, Spain. We wish you a very nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.